Hi WVP stars and welcome to Restaurant Meliefste. My name is Thijs Meliefste and we're gonna prepare a dish with European lobster from our waters around the restaurant. So we already got a few in. As you can see, they're alive and kicking, very fresh, and we're gonna cook them inside of a nice bouillon just for a few minutes. So we have prepared the lobster tails, so we just bind it up in a classic way, so it becomes nice and straight like this. And it's been poached inside of the broth, and as you can see, it's very juicy meat. So we always check them if they have anything in their backs. Alright, so now we have some clarified butter. I'm just gonna roll it in it. And then it's still a little bit warm, the lobster, but we're gonna heat it up just a touch under the salamander. We cover it with a little bit of plastic to maintain the heat. It needs about 2 minutes. So in the meantime we can start plating already. On the plate we're gonna add some truffles. They are from the Netherlands. I think now it's the second or third year that they find truffles in the Netherlands, which is quite funny because we didn't have them. At least we didn't know about it. Here we have made a puree out of salsify. So you just pipe a few dots. And we have a powder made from charred onions, which has been dried and then blitzed into a powder. This is a gel made from cherry vinegar. A few dots. Alright, so here we have the lobster. Now as you can see, the butter is nice and melted, and they are now around 40 degrees. So they are nice, they're not hot, but they are lukewarm. So take it out of the butter. Onto a dripping tray, so the butter doesn't melt on top of the plate. Here we have some of the truffle already shaved into slices. We're going to heat it up in butter as well. Also with this you would like to have it warm but not cooked. Warm is okay. Next to it we're gonna have the chanterelles. We just pan fry it with some garlic, spring of thyme, and finish it off with some rock salt. Again, you don't want to cook the truffle, you just want to heat it up gently. Like this is okay. So now you have much more flavor. Also some salt and back to the plate. So we start with the lobster on the plate. A little bit of the truffle to go next with it. And then we have the chanterelle mushrooms. Alright, so over here we have made a caramel. It's made out of the heads of the lobster, so we just make like a stock, and then we reduce it completely down until you have a caramel, and it packs a lot of flavor. And we're gonna mix this with the Hollandaise. Yeah, just make sure to mix it in. And you just want a few drops of the sauce. And it works actually just like a mayonnaise, so it's a lot of strong flavors. And we finish it off with a foamy sauce made from Jerusalem artichokes. Alright, there you go. This is our lobster. Lobster from our waters, together with some mushrooms, and then sauce made from the head.